first thing right off the bat?
We're rolling, and action.
Trip and fall. On this episode of Ian and the Ginger Do Stupid.
Oh. That's kind of poopy though.
That'll get edited out.
Curse, swearing, blood, guts, gore means screw ups with the chainsaw.
No, just kidding. I don't know where we're at. We're at week something or other, We are going to show you how not to use an Alaskan sawmill to saw wood. Enjoy the show. This is going to be interesting, and we'll see what becomes of it.
Are we filming the whole process?
I figured may as well.
We're filming. So, watch your language. No cursing, no swearing, no blood, no guts, no gore. Means no screw ups with the chainsaw. That means I'm not touching it. This is the better looking one. It's
bubble there, that's good.
Well, as long as we got 6 inches of width. To be honest, you can pick whatever number you want down here. I can stick it outside. If we
It's a Friday night outside the club. The posse pulls in a pickup truck. They try to drink the bar dry and eat all the grub. They talk about
So we'll have a brief discussion regarding yesterday. We got one cut out of it in the dark before the cameras died, and I finished the other part off this afternoon. I didn't film that though, so we're gonna switch up things a little bit here. If you can see that, we've got a string line now, and we're gonna attempt to hand cut, freehand, 40 feet with a chainsaw. 26 feet. Oh, that makes it feel that makes it feel better. I only got to do 26 feet.
14 feet less than you did that.
String line's a guide. Hopefully I won't hit it.
Otherwise,
We're
it'd be stitched.
Run alongside it. Wish me luck.
I'm gonna coach him.
We'll see what happens.
Their old Ford fixer up. They're running out of good brands and emptying the tub. And sooner or later, the beer will be gone. They're all here to party, so bring it on. So bring it on out, enjoy the show, pick up the pretty women. Let's all go. Bring it on in, from north to south, from every direction. Won't you bring it on out? And nobody cares whether right or wrong, hey, we're all here to party, so bring it on. Scrapping outside in the parking lot. The smaller man says, hey, is that all you got? Forming an octagon, UFC is wrong. We'll all duke around till the truck show up. Long as friends, ain't me some fun. Bring it on. So bring it on out, enjoy the show, pick up the pretty women, let's all go. Bring it on in, from north to south, every direction, won't you bring it on out? And nobody cares whether it's right or wrong, hey, we're all here to party, so bring it on.
Round 3, day 3. Last cut. Saw's already set. Fueling it up.
Don't forget the bar juice. Oh, 60 foot, a truckload of 60-foot bucket. I'd tell you.
Shots of tequila firing way out back. Music and dancing, a two-step track. The local band's blaring, singing a rowdy song. But all the good times had, they're kicking us out. No more dancing on tables and acting out. I said, now hey, wait a minute, boys. We ain't done nothing wrong. We're all here to party, so bring it on. So bring it on out, enjoy the show, pick up the pretty women, let's all go. Bring it on in, from north to south, every direction, won't you bring it on out? And nobody cares whether it's right or wrong, hey, we're all here to party, so bring it on. We're all here to party, so bring it on. Just bring it on.
What?
Just bring it on. Just bring it on.
That's kind of poopy though.
The fact it's not centered,
Yeah. There's a wall between them.
I don't think you'll notice it.
I think you're gonna notice this a little bit. It's not that like that down there. Like it's something that you'd be fighting no matter what.
But I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time.
Notice, I'm not sweating.
That's the only thing I can think of is the direction of the tree.
Yeah, I don't know. That first cut was awfully hard compared to that second one. Or third one, I mean. Notice how short he is.
You give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain.
98% now. Or is this another battery? Hey Ian, there's people in this world that pay really good money to go to a gym to do the exact same thing you're doing. And they only get the payoff of muscles. You get the payoff, or we get a payoff of milled lumber. Sounds kind of productive to me.
You'll be able to look at this up at the roof of this for years to come. I know that every one of these cuts and straight marks come from one of us.
Uh-huh. He's more of the tortoise. I'm more of the hare. Doing the slow and easy wins the race.
It's a little naughty.
I'll leave that alone because we're on camera. Or will I? Did you guys hear that? Ian's wood's a little naughty.
This is your wood.
What are you doing playing with my wood? Should have left it alone, eh?
That'll get edited out. Do you want to try to get up there this weekend?
I wouldn't mind getting up there. I don't know what we're gonna accomplish. My problem, Ian, is like I'm 4 hours before I'm up there from the moment I say go, because I got nowhere to live. So
Here, you got a cabin up there. Lots of cozy cushioning still.
Got a pretty bitchin' spot tonight, actually.